From red carpets to social media feeds, bobs are everywhere, and we're loving it. The versatile cut works for just about every hair type and encompasses a shockingly wide variety of lengths and styles. We feel confident in asserting that there's truly a bob for everyone. You need only scroll your Instagram feed to confirm that the time when waist-length long hair reigned supreme is officially over. These days, if you want to stand out, it's all about short hairstyles: bobs, pixie cuts, buzz cuts, and everything in between. Bob haircuts have skyrocketed in popularity due in large part to the number of celebrities who've decided to try out the cut. Short hair is continuing its role, with bobs being more square-shaped and jagged, says celebrity hairstylist Paul Edmonds. I've had a lot more clients taking the plunge and going really short at the back, almost manly. I think the looks by Charlize Theron, Kristen Stewart, and Emma Thompson are a winner at the moment. Thinking of taking the short hair plunge? Check out our edit of the best short hairstyles transformation for all the bob inspo you could ever need. About the maintenance of bob hairstyles. To maintain a bob, I recommend getting a trim between 6 to 12 weeks, depending on how short your cut is, says pro hairstylist. Depending on how short your hair is, you might want to go more frequently. But if you're down for a bob that transforms into more of a lob every few months, feel free to wait a bit longer. Pro hairstylist also suggests cutting your hair a bit shorter if you want to go longer between haircuts. It's truly up to you. In addition to getting haircuts, it's crucial to keep your hair nice and healthy, especially when it comes to your scalp. Be sure to use a heat protectant anytime you use heat on your hair, whether that's a blow dryer, straightening iron, or curling iron, and give your locks some extra TLC by using oils and even post-shampoo treatments. Pro hairstylist suggests specifically going in with a cleanser. How to style a bob? Styling a bob is much easier than you think, and you can use pretty much any tool you desire. For a classic, smooth bob, use a flat iron or a blow dryer with a round brush to create a sleek, straight finish. Apply a heat protectant to prevent damage, and finish with a shine serum for a glossy, smooth appearance. If you're going for a more casual, tousled vibe, add a bit of texturizing spray or mousse to damp hair. Then use a diffuser or scrunch while blow drying to enhance natural waves. For added dimension, consider curling the ends with a curling iron, alternating directions for a more effortless look. A bob can also be styled with hair accessories like headbands or clips to add flair. The versatility of the bob makes it suitable for various occasions, from casual outings to formal events. Essentially, it seems our hair is deeply symbolic, but it is still just that, a symbol. It does not sum up who we are, what we stand for, or where we're going. It simply allows us to get there with a do we absolutely love from the bottom of our hearts. So if you want to go short, ignore the naysayers and embrace your mini-mane dreams with all your might.